Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to draw this sketch exercise in SolidWorks and we will apply the dimensions and relations. And before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the SolidWorks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part, okay? And now we have a new part. For drawing this sketch, we have to choose a plane. And in SolidWorks, we have three planes: top front plane, top plane, and right plane. I will tell you what's the use of the other planes, but for drawing the sketch, just click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now we have an open sketch. For drawing this sketch, firstly, we have to draw a slot, a straight slot. So here I choose a slot, center point, a straight slot. And you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that the center of our slot will be connected to the origin point if I click on the origin point here. And you can see as I move the center line, you can see here the yellow symbol. It means that if I click on the screen, the center line will be vertical. Now I have to draw the slot. Right click, select to exit the tool. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, just click on hide and show items and you can turn on or turn off the sketch relations or the dimensions. Now we have to apply the radius. The radius of the arc here is 10 millimeter. And the dimension of the center line here is 23 millimeter. You can see the color of the slot have changed to black. It means that our sketch is fully defined, but we have to keep drawing the sketch. Here I have to draw a rectangle here and right click select, and we have to draw an arc here. So you can see the arc here. Here I choose a 3-point arc and I connect this side of the rectangle to this side of the rectangle and I draw an arc. So here we have the tangent relation. It automatically have the tangent relation. If you want to give the arc a tangent relation, you can just hold the control button and choose the arc here and the line here, and you can add relation, give it tangent relation. And the center of the arc must be constant to the center line here. So hold the control button and choose these 2 points and give it constant relation. But our sketch is not fully defined because it is still moving. Here choose a smart dimension and the radius of the arc here is 5 millimeter. And we have to mirror these entities to this side of the sketch. For doing that, we have to just choose a center line and I draw a center line here. And I connect this side of the slot to this side of the slot. And here choose mirror entities and choose these entities that you want to mirror to the other side of the center line. And here in mirror about, choose the center line as a mirror. And here you can see, please be careful the copy here. We want to copy the entities to this side of the center line and okay, and here we have the entities here. Choose a smart dimension and the dimension from this line to the line here is 10 millimeter. You can see our sketch has changed to fully defined. And here we have to draw a circle. So I draw a circle here. The dimension of the circle is 5 millimeter. And please practice at home and do it yourself. It's a very easy sketch sample. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Thanks for watching this video.